In this video, I'm gonna explain how to return the sum of digits in a given number. Let's start the video with an example. The given number n is equals to 123. Now, if we perform sum on these three digits, what is the sum? 1 plus 2 plus 3, right? So what is the value? 6. So in this, what we need? Individual digits of given number. So how we can retrieve these individual digits? Using the modulus operator. How? Remainder is equals to 123 modulus 10. So what it will return? 3. And after this, update the value of n. N is equals to 123 by 10. So the value is 12. This is the first case, right? In second case, what is the value of n? 12. What is the remainder? 12 modulus 10. The value is 2. What is the value of n? 12 by 10. So the value is 1. In the third case, n is equals to 1. Remainder is equals to 1 modulus 10. Remainder is 1. N is equals to 1 by 10. N is equal to 0. So when n becomes 0, we have to stop this iteration, right? Now, if you observe here, why I am dividing the number? Because after retrieving the last digit, that is 3 from 123, we need the 12, right? Because we are already having 3. And after that, we need 2. So to get 2, we have to make the n as 12, right? Now, how we can perform sum then? Sum is equals to previous sum plus current remainder. So after calculating the remainder, we have to perform the sum. Previous sum is 0 and the current remainder is 3. Initialize the sum variable with 0. So now the sum is 0 plus remainder, that is 3. So we have to perform this operation after calculating the remainder, right? Now in this case, after performing the remainder, what is the sum here? Sum is equals to here 3, right? 3. Now we have to update this one. 3, that is previous sum plus current remainder, is equals to 5. So you have to perform this operation in this case also. Now let's start the coding. So what are the variables we need? Sum and remainder. Now we have to initialize sum with 0. Next, what is the logic? Remainder is equals to given number modulus 10. Then sum. Sum is equals to previous sum plus current remainder. Then we have to update the value of n. N is equals to n by 10. And we have to write these statements. As these steps are iterative, we have to write these statements in one loop. What is the loop? While. And what is the condition? When how many times we have to iterate these statements? Means when n becomes 0, you have to come out of the loop. So when n is not equal to 0, that is n not equal to 0, then we have to continue the loop. Now when n becomes 0, it will comes out of the loop. At that time, we are with the value of sum of digits. So we are getting the sum of digits. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. It is 10. So it is returning correctly. If you understand this logic, then comment understand.